I'm going to be showing you guys how to design an online banking website, alright? How to design an online banking website. Now, this is a new website, so it's new and advanced features. You can see the home page of the website. You can see it has an amazing front end. You can see that. Then you also have language. You can just toggle it down and select any language of your choice. All right, so you can see it has awesome designs, awesome front end design. You can see as I'm toggling the mouse, it's going with it. All right, so let's log in this online banking. I'll see how it works. So you just come over to login. All right, okay, then you put in your username, then you put in your password, then you log in. Now it's going to require you to put your PIN for security reasons, right? So you just put your 4-digit PIN and verify that. All right, you see PIN verified successfully. So now we are in the interface of the online banking. Now the interface has a lot, like it has a lot of features. You can see here we have the current balance, we have available balance. You see, you can close this balance. Only you will be the one to see it. Others cannot be able to see it once they log in your bank app. You see, you can also turn it on, then you'll be seeing it. This is your account number here. And also, if you want to make a transfer, look at, you have the local transfer, you have the international transfer, you have the deposit section, save and invest. This online banking comes with a save and invest features. Okay, now for instance, you want to do your transfer, you just have to come to the local transfer. All right, you just fill in the amount you want to send. Maybe you want to send $400. You just fill in, put in the bank details like the account name. You put in the account name, maybe let's say Jameson. Then just put in any account number. That's okay. Then put in a bank name. Let's say Demo Bank. All right, so you just fill in all these details. Then it's going to send an SMS. It's going to send an OTP to your email. Then once you put in the OTP, the transaction is going to be complete. All right, now that's for the local transfer. We also have the international transfer. This is the international transfer, whereby you are sending money from one country to another country. Now it's asking you, what method of transfer do you want to do? Is it a wire transfer, and that's a bank to bank transfer? Is it cryptocurrency? Is it paper? So you see, this online banking is a 10/10. Now it also have the IRS tax refund. You can see that maybe you want to apply for you want to check IRS status. You see there. Then it also adds cards. You can apply for card on this particular online banking website, like your virtual card. You see, it has different kinds of virtual card, and it comes with an amount. Maybe your customer, you just tell them to pay for a certain amount so that they can get a virtual card to order stuff online. You just use it, you understand? So this online banking is a 10/10, like I said. Now another feature of this online banking here is that it allows loan deposits, like loan requests. So you can apply for loan. Maybe you don't have money, you see, but now it says loan application restricted. You understand? Now you can activate this from the admin section of this online banking. You understand? So if you are giving you the website, they are going to give you both with the site link and the admin link. All right, so the admin link is going to help you regulate this website, so you can apply for loan. That's for the loan option. And another important feature here is the save and invest. All right, now this save and invest is just like it's just serving like, maybe you having money, then you want to invest, right? Maybe you have a minimum of $200. It's going to tell you that expected returns, when you are going to get your ROI, right? You see, you are going to get your expected return with 20%. You see that for 10 minutes, for duration 6 days. So it means that after every 6 days you are going to be getting 20% of your earnings, of your investment rather, you see. So there are different investment plan here. You can even add more or delete it from the admin section. So you see, this bank does not just offer like the regular online banking feature, which is to transfer, send money, you understand. It also has an investment package whereby customer can just come here and invest their money, you understand. So for instance, now you want to deposit. All right, maybe I want to go for this plan, this secure safe plan. I'll just click on invest and save. It's going to ask me to fill this field, so I'll just fill it with the plan because the minimum deposit is $200. I'll just put $200 and click on invest and save. Then let's watch out for that. You can see you are successfully purchased, secure and save. So I'll be expecting my own ROI, which is my return on investment, from this. And note, you must have balance. Your account must be loaded already for you to be able to partake in this investment, just like you are going to be funding the investment plan from your main online banking balance. All right, so that's that for that. You can see here we have the account balance, this save and invest. This is the account balance. You can send money from the main account balance to this save and invest account balance. Now this is the current return on investment I'm having. You can also come here to withdraw. You see, you click on withdraw, the amount you want to withdraw. If it's $5,000 you want to withdraw, then you withdraw from the bank balance. You withdraw that. You see withdrawal to main balance was successful. So I've taken money from my investments and I've added it to my, you understand. So that's that for that. So which other feature is here? So this is the settings. You can come here to edit anything. You can change, you see, you can set your transaction pin, security settings, profile. You can change anything from here, you understand. And you can also change all these things from the admin section. So that's that for that. Now let me go back to the dashboard. I want to show you guys something also. You can see recent transaction. This bank has recent transaction and the dates. You can see the account age when this account was created is written here, and you can manipulate this from the admin section. The transaction volume, you can see that. The pending transaction, you can see that. You see the transaction limits, which you can also set. So I'm going to be showing you guys how to build this online banking website. Now stay with me as I show you how to build this online banking website. Now you go to your cPanel, you go to your cPanel and you head over to your file manager. Okay, you head over to your file manager, then you come to public_html. All right, if you don't know how to get your cPanel, I have made videos on that. You just have to go to a hosting company where you get your domains and your hosting services. Then they are going to give you access to a cPanel via your email. So this is your public_html. You just click on upload, then you click on select file, then this is the file. You click on it, then you upload that. See, the file is quite big, so just have to wait for it to load up. So as this is going, you just relax. If you have a drink you can take a drink, right? So that's that for that. And if you also need this script, I'm going to be dropping a description below on how to get this exact same script I'm working with for this online banking website. You just get the script, follow my tutorial step by step on how I'm getting this done, then boom, you have got yours done as well. So just have to wait for this to, you see, it has show green. You must wait for it to show green, which means it has successfully been uploaded. So I'll just click on script has been successfully installed. So the next thing I want to do now is to right click on it, then click on extract, then click on extract files. All right, so you click on close, then let's delete this. You delete this, you delete this. Okay, then you open, then you see the files here. you copy all of them. So you select everything, then you right click, then you click on move, and you ensure they are inside the public underscore HTML. All right, then you click on move files. Now let's check our public underscore. All right. Now this zip file, we need to extract and get the content from it. So you just right click, then click on extract and click on extract files. So you just have to wait for the files to, okay. I think the files has been extracted. So you click on close. Now these are the files here. You can see that these are the files here. So the next thing we want to do now is to go to our cPanel and create our database. You must be the database wizard. We'll create our database. Let me call this PO. All right, then click on next step, call this PO as well. Then always allow them to generate a password for you. You can see I just click on the auto password generator. I'll copy this password. All right, you see I'll copy this password. Then you come back to the file manager. You locate your env. You see, you locate your env. You right click on your env, edit, then click on edit again, because the env is where you are going to be connecting the database. Now I just copy the password, right? So I'll come here. This is the password, then I'll change that. I'll change it to my password, right? So I'll go back to the database, then I'll click on I have copied this password in a safe place, then I'll click on use. All right, it said very strong, then I'll click on create user. So I'm creating the database user and the database password. So I'll just copy it. You see, I'll copy the database user. I'm using both same name for the user and the database name. So I'll copy that. Then I'll go back to my env file. Then the username, I will place my username here, Ctrl V. Then I'll place the database here as well, Ctrl V. You understand that? Then I'll come back to my database. Then I'll click on accept all privileges. Then I'll scroll down and make changes. All right, after that being done, the next thing you want to do is you come to your public underscore HTML. You see, we are going to download our SQL file. All right, the SQL file, we are going to download the SQL file. This is it, the database SQL. So you just right click and download that. Okay, so it doesn't have much MB. It has been downloaded. So you come back to your cPanel, then you search for php myadmin, then you click on php myadmin. Then the database we just created. You are going to locate the database we created. This is it here, this PO. Then you click on it. All right, then you click on import, then you click on choose file. All right, the database we just downloaded, the database SQL we downloaded, this is it. Then you put it there, then you click on import again. So you just wait for the SQL file to be imported. They are much, so you have to have a little bit of patience here. All right, it's done. You see import has been successfully finished. 197 queries executed. Okay, now we have done that. The next thing we want to do now is go back to our env. This is our env. This this URL here, we are going to change it to our own website URL. How do we get our website URL? You come to the cPanel, click on tools. All right, you see primary domain. You click on it, it will take you to our site. Okay, now it's showing like this now because we have not finished the installation now. So let's finish the installation and come back to this site. So I'll copy the URL and go back to my env file, then I'll paste it here, Ctrl V. All right, so that's that for that. Then you can decide to edit here, maybe with the bank name of your choice. Let me just put this as Prime City Bank. Okay, then click on save changes. All right, So let's go back to our site and reload it and see how it works. Can you see that we have successfully installed our online banking websites? You can see, just like the way we want it. Very easy to install, easy to understand. Just follow the step-by-step process on how to get this done. All right. Now, another thing I want to show you, maybe you want to add a live chat to this online banking. Now, where you go, you just come to your file manager, public underscore HTML, then you scroll down and you click on resource. Most of those files are under resource, or maybe you want to edit anything on this home page. You just come to, resource. Where is that? Okay, you just come to resource, then under resource you come to view. This view here, you come to view. You see, you have the admin. If you want to change stuff from the admin, if you want to change stuff from the user end, you understand. So most times if you want to change the live chats, you just have to either include layout or live wire, one of these three. You just check them out, then you are going to see where to put your live chats. All right, so that being said, we are done with the online banking, and if you need this script, you can reach out to us. Our details will be on the video below. Thank you very much, and don't forget to subscribe, share this video to more persons that need it to grow our channel, and God bless you.